I think I'm flat out of ideas for these beginning things. And I don't want to like juggle stuff because then it's like, it's planned and it's not as funny. It's not fun either. I don't know, whatever. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to Beater Box Friday. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media stuff. Is it up there or there? I don't remember, whatever. And give me a subscribe if you like what's going on here. Or don't, that's cool too. Yeah, hi pals. This box comes to us from Soul Supremacy, soulsupremacy.com @soulsupremacy. It's a closed membership only Beater Box thing, so you can't buy these boxes, which kind of stinks, but they're in such high demand right now that it's even mind-boggling that I got one. This box is $1,000 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,050. Putting on my gloves on, give me 1 second. Look. That's the counter. His name is Clarence. Yep, it's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna take the entire estimated value of the box, put it up against how much I paid because everyone is so interested in how much I pay for these things for some weird reason, you weirdos. And then we'll see what the potential profit is. Keep in mind too that the prices that pop up on your screen are just the market value, not how much they're for sale for. If you're interested in knowing how much they're for sale for, go to my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. Let's open the box. Ooh, there's a lot of loose shoes in here. Okay, it looks like there's 4 or 5 pairs of loose, yeah, there's 4. All right, let's get this one out of the way first. No box, a size 10, some kind of HUARACHE. It's all red. I don't know why anyone would want to wear an all red shoe, but hey, whatever. I know nothing about fashion. They're in okay shape. How's the bottoms? No nipples left, but still a lot of, I mean, not a lot of drag or anything. But these are running or cross-training shoes, and they're definitely wearable still. And if you like all red shoes, hey, that's your thing, I guess. But there's your first shoe out, size 10, HUARACHE, in a red colorway. Remember, if you're interested in that pair or any of the other pairs in this box, hit up sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. This is a, I can't tell if these are worn or not. Doesn't look like it. It's an Air VAPORMAX Plus in a size 9. There's no box, and it looks like whatever was on this tag thing is gone. There's some scuffs on the midsole, but I think that's just from not having a box and being in a box for so long. Whoa. But these, I mean, I have to look at them closer. It doesn't look like there's any wear on the bottoms. Yeah, I think these might be dead stock, but I'm not 100% sure. Either way, very simple colorway. A lot of people love these shoes, size 9. VAPORMAX Plus in some kind of black and white kind of colorway. 2 more loose pairs. They're both Jordan 1s, kind of. This is a Jordan, God, I forget the, it's like a Jordan TXT or something like that. It's when you take a Jordan 11 and add it to a Jordan 1, I guess. It's got a patent upper. It's basically a pair of Gamma 11s turned into a Jordan 1. This is a size US 12. These are weird. They have the clear outsole, a little bit of discoloration. Doesn't look like there's much wear though. There's hardly any heel drag and no star loss. They'll get a good cleanup and they'll be good to go. Size 12. Jordan 1, Jordan 1 TXT in the Gamma colorway. Last Jordan 1 has no box. This is also a size 12. These are the Hall of Fame Jordan 1s. They have a bunch of stats all over the side panel. Patent mudguard, leather vamp, white outsole. There's a lot of heel drag going on there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. You can see how much is gone here. Still wearable for sure. It's a weird colorway. There's your last shoe without a box, size 12 Jordan 1 Hall of Fame. Shoes with boxes. Let's get the ADIDAS out of the way. So this is a Y3 QASA high in a size 8. These are like upscale, whatever, fashion ADIDAS sneakers. They do look kind of nice, I will say that. But it's a Y3 runner, the QASA high. It's like a core black and white kind of colorway. It's got like a tubular doom outsole looking type thing. A little bit of wear, it just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. It's simple. I got Y3 branding on the heel. I mean, these are okay, just not something I'd wear. It's a small size. They have the dust bags and all the like extra stuff that comes with it. So because it's like a fashion sneaker, I don't know if it's gonna have a higher value, but it's size 8. There you go. Y3 ADIDAS QASA runner high, right? QASA racer, QASA high, whatever. We'll stick on Adidas. Got an Ultra Boost and a damaged box. This is an Ultra Boost Limited in a size 8.5. These I actually know because I know a lot of people really love this colorway. This is one of the original 1.0s. This is the cream Ultra Boost 1.0. They seem to be in okay shape. Prime knit looks all right. A little bit of wear on the outsole, not too bad. These just need to clean up, and I think they'll be okay. There's a little bit of scuffing on the heel cups. Hardly any discoloration on the boost, so a lot of people love this colorway because it is very simple, but whatever. Size 8.5, cream 1.0 Ultra Boosts. Got a Jordan 3. Size 8.5 Jordan 3 Retro. It's like a black cement from 2011. Yep, that's exactly what it is. They're in okay shape. There's definite midsole paint cracking. Not so much on the lateral side, but on the medial side for sure, in the heel, or in the arch right there. You got a full jump man still in there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, maybe. Outsoles look good. I mean, they're a little bit dirty, but not much wear, not much drag, hardly any star loss. Is there a... Of course not. No one ever leaves the hang tag inside of their Jordan 3s or Jordan 4s because they want to hang them from their 1997 Saturn, whatever. These are in good shape. They just need some paint help. Just a little bit older. They re-released these in 2018, and it was probably one of the best releases of 2018. There you go, 8.5. Black cement 3s. Got a Nike, size 9 Nike Air Max 90 OG. A lot of 9 in there. Ooh, cool. These I can get down with. This is the 2015 retro of the OG Infrared Air Max 90. I believe these are coming out in holiday again this year. These are in great shape. A little bit of discoloration on the midsole right there. This is just a classic shoe. Size 9 is a very good size too. Insoles have very little wear, which is awesome. There is some nipple loss on the outsole, but overall, good shape. Cool, dig this. This is a good get. Size 9, 2015 Infrared Air Max 90 OGs. They definitely need a cleanup. Cool, those probably have some value. Got a size 9 Kobe 11 Elite Low. These are worn very lightly though. This is the Kobe 11 in the Oreo colorway. Good shape on the outsole, not much drag. Well, there's a little bit of drag, but not a whole bunch. Just worn a little bit, but as you guys probably know, the market on Kobe's has been absolutely crazy and super unethical, but crazy nonetheless. So these are in good shape. I don't know how much they're going to be worth, but it's a good size and a good shape. Kobe 11s remind me a lot of Kobe 9s. Still a cool shoe. There you go, size 9. Kobe 11 Elite Low. Oreos. This may seem stupid, but this is a bummer to me because I know this pair is going to be sitting for a long time. Got a size 12 Yeezy Boost 750. It's summer and it's a size 12 and it's an Adidas. Hope you get comfortable on my shelf for a very long time, friend. At least it's a good colorway. They're worn, zippers work, and there's dust bags too. Got a size 12 pair of the Yeezy 750 in the triple black colorway. This might actually be the best 750 to get because it is a very simple color. Look at the outsoles, hardly any wear. The boost is in great shape, no heel drag. Someone must have worn these on like carpet and that's it. And the zippers work. That's the biggest thing, is the zippers hardly ever work on these used pairs of 750s, but these look to be good to go. It's a size 12. It's in good shape. Value on these is probably upwards of $800 and $900, so this definitely pays for the box. Soul Supremacy is really savvy about getting rid of Adidas's before they really tank, but people love 750s. There you go, size 12. And that is a $1,000 Soul Supremacy beater box. A little bummed about the Adidas in here, but overall I think it's an okay box. A lot of throw-ins, but that's kind of what happens when your store is closed due to a pandemic. But let's take a look at the breakdown. It's an interesting box. Can't say I'm thrilled with it. Can't say I'm disappointed in it, I guess. Just kind of neutral. But I'm kind of neutral about everything nowadays because, I don't know, I'm on social media. Hey, if you're interested in any of those shoes, hit up my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sbmitch.com. These shoes will all be available for purchase, unless they sell on GOAT before then, which probably will not happen. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. Please be safe. Please be safe. Take care of each other. I'll see you next time. Bye.